I talk on the street, you know the thing of peeps. Go on YouTube right now.
You know, you roll them out and scroll them on the G-Post there. Night talk, pick up yourself. Yeah, man. Chaffee! Shut.
Let me tell you something right now. I could not be on the stage if it wasn't for people like Auntie Marcia who paved the way for all of us before. She is the most wonderful, most loving, kind spirit. Throughout all the years that I've known her and had interactions with her, she has been that wonderful, wonderful person. Please give it up for Auntie Marcia. You deserve this and so much more. God bless you and keep you always. Let's go.
And nothing else even matters at all. Come on! I want to be close to
much for having us tonight. God bless and keep every one of you and have a wonderful night. Let's go.
That's the way we'll stay. My baby, I'll stay. You there. So my secret
my little sister Tess. Yeah, I told you. Right now, we're gonna take a 10 minutes break on this journey. And you see when we come back for this decade of the 2000s. Wow. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready. Yes, we're going on another level. So, go and get your drink.
You already
my queen, Miss Marcia Griffiths, my love her. To my heart and back. Like cook food, I'll show you and talk to me. Say, good night. You give me the next. You know me, love you. Yeah, love forever. Thank you. Good night. It's a pleasure to be here. Good night, Strap. Straight. Hi. Yeah. Hi. You know, I can still recall when it was just me and you. Suddenly you turn you and you grow now. Forget everything about your boo now. Hey, I wish you wanna treat me like that. Have them tears and the devil up home. Me look for your familiar face, me no see none. When you call it a little in me ear and say, me no see no one girl. Government sees everything, that sees everything. And on the ball of the over the spot, I want the trees. I don't care about the one that go on and God say, no, you are still when I was trying to say. That's all the love with Tessan.
man who's here tonight.
With your wife, girlfriend, your sweetheart, your significant other, whatever you call her, you're free.
This song is coming to you from all of us who don't care.
Who will I send together? Get a chance to be together. Going down, love. It's a pity. You are hurting my mind. I feel never mind in my life. Good boy, it's a pity. I say it's such a pity. You are already on my mind. I'll be on my one mind. Never mind another life. I like one of these mornings to wake up and find no place on the paper lying. How would I go to the party with the smoking and the and both the extra wine? When every time I contemplate, we see your lips, we see your eyes. You pick that from the left, it's too girl, you cannot hide. I know it's just a bit, another leg of flesh. But for me, it is heaven. And it is such a pity. You are the burden of the wife. I feel never minded on the life. Rude boy, it is a pity. It's such a pity. You are already on my wife. I'll be on the one minded on the life. Rude boy, said if we never get a chance to be together, go with Tanya, love you. Mama said, I want to thank you guys so much for having me. If we never get a chance to be together, go with Tanya, love you. Auntie Marcia, Sister Marcia, we love you. Hey, listen, tonight is a big deal. I am here to celebrate my queen, Miss Marcia Griffiths. I love her. To my heart and back. And I cook food. I'll show you and talk to Miss Sally. Good night. You give me the next. You know me, love you. Yeah, love forever. The next track. Thank you. Good night. It's a pleasure to be here. Good next track. Shit. Hi. Yeah. Hi. You know, I can still recall when it was just me and you. Suddenly you turn you and you grow now. Forget everything about your boo now. Hey, I wish you wanna treat me like
walk out, me look for your familiar face, me no see none. When you call me collect and give me your answer, me no see no one girl. Government sees everything, and sees everything. And on the ball, I look to go for the spot, I want the trees. I don't care, cause I want to go on. God say, love you, hard. When I was trying to share, that's all I love with Tessan. You can't say me never want you. These streets don't love you. You know the streets don't love you. You know the streets can't hold you. You know the streets don't love you like I do. You know the streets don't love you like I do. I'm not like I do. You know we don't love you. And I like that too. And I like that. I can't. Yo, to every man who is here tonight, with your wife, girlfriend, your sweetheart, your significant other, whatever you call her, you're free. This song is coming to you from all of us who don't care. Who will I sing together? Get a chance to be together. Go and die. It's a pity. You are I'm made up, never mind, never lie. Good boy, it's a pity. I think it's such a pity. You are already a wine. I'll be a one. Never mind, never lie. I like how these mornings so quick, but I like no way, so the people are yet. How would I put over party and the smoking and the and go for extra wine? When every time I want to rise, me see your lips, me see your eyes. You feel that it's something I left it to girl, you can hide. I know it's just a day, another leg of flesh, but for me it is heaven. And it is such a pity. You are already up a while. I made up, never mind it on the line. Good boy, it is a pity. It's such a pity. You already have a wife. I'm me, I'm a one man in a life. Good boy, said if we never get a chance to be together, go with Tanya, love you. Mama said, I want to thank you guys so much for having me. If we never get a chance to be together, go with Tanya, love you. Auntie Marcia, Sister Marcia, we love you. Oh, yeah. Go with remember, Tanya, love you. See if we never get a chance to be. Go with Tanya, love you.
60 years, the son put on a sweatsuit, but over to put on a suit. So you know my thing, God. My artist man alive. You know my thing, God. But I'm gonna sing for you.
One little piece.
In a business, if I am 2 seconds, jump. Just don't turn it on. But everybody just wait for the one that you sing this. Say, oh, no, no, happy birthday, Marcia. Oh, no, no, no. I'm about to birthday. So that's what I said. Sing, man. Hush, 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 please. I tell myself I don't want nobody. You are my love. But I day when she leave, when she gone, I know that Thursday. Now all the guests are gonna come, all the guests are gonna come, but the one of them want this. But I told you that I am it. I know they get them surrounding me and the guests are out. Everybody we have a light in the ears, sir. Oh, who got the keys to the river? Hush. Hush. You know some of them. Hush. The queen, I forget, cannot work without the king of dancer. So, with the African there, I watch the show and I want to call you upon him for the business.
We know you love it still.
No, you're my mother. Remember, I'm a mother. Everybody call her auntie. She is the mother of love.
Yeah.
The only woman we know for sure every youth in the business what love is. I know say you have to build that. I know say you have to love the music. Give a round of applause to my mother. The seriousness of life? Yeah. I buy my first place. I'm on the side of Marcia. See me? Yes, sir, Marcia live. And then I go over there. She never shun me. She never run me.
We love you.
Can I give a round of applause to this
We
one?
love you. What do we love you? Enough love.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the saga continues in the decade of the 2000. Right now we got
Problem now?
Yeah, man, it's an honor to be here. Marcia Griffiths, I'm so honored to be here just to, even if me never did I sing, me just honored to them on the same stage with you. Gratitude. Me and Marcia on the right shift. Let's always the golden time. On the right on the night shift. So we know my boy, no living on the night shift. Boy, I go play up the gun like a spider. And if it's in a different way, she inside her. We introduce her to the rolling energizer. Moving in a bun like she just has no eyes. Starting a friend like a kind of synthesizer. I go to hide in my hands. Oh, it's so sweet. Sweet. Oh, on the night shift. Really about on the night shift. Oh, baby, you're holy. Sun gone in, stars, moonlight will shine right through the house. Like the jungles, me jump move the coach. Tonight you want to hear when you say, look out the fool, make my body call you. Busy signal, me have a big smile you. Baby, we make it love and let it flow again. Oh, I wanna do some sweet love. I'm the righteous, but they are who God is for the righteous. Yes, oh, baby girl, hold it tight. Yeah, on the night shift, baby, me I tell you, say a blessing. A blessing. When I watch your mud, when I watch your mud, we all came from that. And watching mud, we there and hold it out. Yeah, man. It's right. Sexy ladies, all my ladies, big one for them too. Hello, baby, can you come? Need you tonight, love. Come on, be a partner, come on. Make her rock in the lampshade, don't me chest, let your head punch. I make her listen some and need to be a come. Make her love the rule, you come. I'm right there, the girls, you're all I need. And I'm always missing you, miss you, baby. I miss you, horse. I need your tender, yes. Miss you. Yo, we got one fix now. All the movements that I love you. Choose the time. You want to make a happy inside school. Here you go, you find out now, but you go to school. Not like me, I'm prosperity. Love the whole of my soul, I'm happy. Who got that love, what she's sweet. He got me out the ones of the remain till the sunshine comes. I tell you, son, girls, you're all I need. And I'm always missing you, miss you, baby. I miss you, alright. I need you, miss you, baby. Cease. I'm sick to write this up. I'm on the one more, Marcia, make me the one more. I have to represent the Jamaica and all the French style, because all the ministers here, big of yourself. Everybody on the phone, if you have light on it, light it up. 60th. One play the ballad. Marcia celebrating 60 years in music. I'm so, oh my God, this is just different. One thing I make myself, I know I have been man, see I make myself. All these are national treasures of Jamaica. Marcia Griffiths have paved the way. Lots of us gone, lots of us are still here. Light it up for Jamaica. Light it up for Marcia. Yeah man, no accolades, no battle accolades. I want to give thanks and praise. Marcia, I'm so honored to be here tonight. It's a blessing. What gathers? Respect Jamaica stars with Marcia. Can't be proving we always fly out. Whether we are young or abroad, we give thanks to Sister Marcia. On the tree, the glass of them here, turn up in the way, cause we're not free. Represent all over. Everybody who have the phone like this, Marcia, think of that. Okay. One more fight them, one for you. One more fight them, and I'll let me enjoy it out. We are all here supporting this great cause. And if we do this, some more of our national treasures. Can't move because himself any which way you're there. Enough more treasures out there. You hear that? Attack! Government of Jamaica take the initiative to highlight and represent our elders, represent the pavers, represent the national treasure more. Love mercy, we now say no. Can't clip it when we are, we'll fly out. But now we are God, our brother, and we respect. Jumping on the river, Marcia, you know for so much decades. Great music. Everybody wait for Marcia, lights up for Marcia. I can't do it. Who's the ways in love? You wanna feel tonight? No one can represent the people of Jamaica. Everybody in there respect Marcia. Who's the ways in love? You wanna feel tonight? Represent everyone, show up every kill and star. Come and jump when I'm at about the man, still have us on that one. Yeah, man, up the Hey, Marcia, we love the foundation. I got man, so we have ambition. After some time, when the back is a plate, let's see a good song. Then everybody show the hand. Represent where you stand. We say big up on Jamaica, turn the world, and we have what you say. Will you make the love? Jamaica love. Marcia Griffiths, And here we are going then. Hope you honest.
I'm to Marcia.
Family affair.
Why we love you?
I love you more.
Yes. Well, yeah.
filled with sorrow. I see tears of bright tomorrow. Chances are some may not hold on. Chances are they're not right now. Chances are, oh chances, you're my chances. Chances are they're not right now. Healed with loneliness, heartaches and teardrops. Chances are we'll have to win. Chances are we're not right now. Chances are we're not right now. Chances we're not right now. Give it up, and to love you. This one say, we're so proud of you. And when you was empty, you understand? But you as the great legendary Marcia Griffiths, we love you. We give thanks for you. Yes, that's it. Happiness was there a while, and from me it slipped one day. From the spot, happiness come back, I said. And if you don't know how to go looking there for happiness, happiness. If you don't know how to go looking there for happiness, why I've done you no wrong. I've done you no wrong. Reveal yourself to me. I'm a hurting side. I'm a hurting side. We're together like school children. But the hurt was just in vain. Lord, I'm your weary child. Happiness come back a while. And if you won't come, I'm looking there for happiness. And if you don't come, I'm looking there for happiness. 60 years and counting.
Yes.
Yes.
You know how wonderful I feel to be standing here on stage with you. And I know that I stood with your granddad.
Yes,
and I stood with all your uncles.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please.
Give thanks and praise unto the Most High. Yeah. Yeah. God is good and great every time. Yeah. Give it up.
Jamaica, we love you.
Give it up for Stick Marley. Yeah. Boy, look here. You see this decade of the 2000, we have some holy and niceness. Enough niceness. You can't even take it to open the belly full and have something nice to make you feel mellow. Because right about now, another sister that I love truly, she's a sister that I am so proud of her. When she stand and speak truth and light, you know. Oh, you know it's who? It's who? But we can't hear it. Without further ado, one of the strongest, firm, you know, she don't know what hypocrisy is. She just keep her mind. Give it up for Tanya Stevens!
Night talk on the street, you know the thing of peeps. Go on YouTube right now.